Us tonight at 9. The conversation continues in Oktibbeha County about who will care for and transport you during an emergency. As our Jason Hibbs reports, the OCH Regional Medical Center Board tonight, and many said that patients still have questions and concerns.
It was the first Board of Trustees meeting since Starkville decided to use Pafford, a private EMS provider, instead of OCH. OCH CEO Richard Hilton called on an OCH physician and his EMS director, Michael Hunt, to offer another rebuttal of sorts to the city's concerns about response times.
Out of the city calls, the average response time was 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Hunt said many of the long response times were for non-emergency calls, and he says records just didn't reflect that.
There was a lot of calls in there that we don't see what was going on in the background, such as ones to Starkville Manor when they would call and say, look, we've got a patient that has a peg tube that needs to be replaced.
He went on to say Pafford, the company Starkville selected, is telling state employees they're out of network, which means patients could face a bigger bill. Last week, OCH CEO Richard Hilton said they wouldn't have to make cuts to the service because much of their money comes from patient transfers. But today,
that anytime you have two entities in the community providing service, it's going to have an impact on both of them financially.
He said they might have to subsidize the service just to keep it going.
You know, anytime you have 42% of your revenue stream that is cut out, you know, you'll have to take a look at that.
Hilton and Hunt both said they'd be willing to address the city's concerns if the city changed its mind and gave OCH another chance. But at this point, it could be too late as the city is moving forward with Pafford. In Starkville, Jason Hibbs, WCBI News.
Well, we reached out to Pafford to ask if state employees are in network, and we've not heard back. Hunt said OCH is meeting with representatives from the county, university, and fire departments to see about placing ambulances in different places in the county for faster